I'm Ranveer Brar. I am a chef from India. I've been cooking for a couple of decades. So what I'm going to be cooking today is khichdi is something that's very Indian. It's comfort food. That's what I like doing. Alright, so the question is, how do you make a riceless khichdi? The answer is cauliflower. Yes. Here goes Bertolli mild taste. Remember, with spices, timing is everything. And the beautiful smell of Indian food. Our nutty lentils. Just take some eggplant. All I'm going to do is I'm going to season my eggplant and my scallop. And now to the lentils we add our riceless rice. There we go. A little bit of salt. Here goes the scallop. But before we put that, let's put a little bit of turmeric. I'm going to steal some cheese. Here we go. That's part 1 done. For part 2, the scallop is seared. And here's my riceless risotto. Beautiful. A little bit of yogurt. Nice. There's some things that you really don't want to miss with a khichdi. We're going to take a little bit of Bertolli extra virgin. Next time you want to make it, if you don't want to complicate it, I got to go eat this simple recipe with my dearest friend. Ciao.